Subscribe to Man Mahila Ka and hit the bell icon for more such videos. A passionate traveler and a certified nutritionist, meet our marvelous Mahila, Dr. Reena Sharma Kher, Vice President, Wiki Food and Nutrition Council, Delhi. With 15 years of experience in entrepreneurship, training, teaching, freelancing, globally.
A very warm welcome, warm greetings to you, ma'am, and welcome to Man Mahila Ka. Today we have amongst us Dr. Reena Kher. Hello, ma'am. Please tell us about yourself, your venture, and how all you started.
Hi, thank you. So this is Dr. Reena Sharma Kher, and I'm very glad to be a part of this platform. As the name says, Man Mahila Ka, it gives you such an honor to be here. And I am a nutritionist, and I run a venture named as Zip Fat. I'm also Vice President Wiki Delhi Food and Nutrition Council. And my inspiration, as the name says, Zip Fat is a brand which talks about wellness, which talks about weight loss. And I'm very proud that, I'm a part of this venture and I started my journey myself. So इसकी inspiration मैं खुद ही हूँ, because I have two small kids और मेरे दोनों छोटे बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं. My daughter is just not even 2 years and my son is 3.5 years. So after my second baby, I gained a lot of weight myself, and I have never seen myself like this. So I know womanhood, motherhood is beautiful, and every woman should experience it. But कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी जब हम बेबी को जन्म देते हैं, हम पैदा करते हैं, हम उसको बड़ा करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग में जो हम अपने आप को देखते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ चीजें आती है जो हम सबके सामने खुल के नहीं बता पाते, especially when we look at ourselves. So internally, yes, there are many changes, but externally also, when you look at yourself, somewhere you feel little demotivated that something somewhere is not looking good. So I took it up as a challenge, and I started this venture, and I thought that what I underwent mentally, physically, nobody should undergo. So I lost 13.5 kgs with my wonderful healthy weight loss program, and I feel very happy after doing that. And after doing a lot of nutritional studies, research, me and my partner, she's in Canada, we came up with this concept of Zip Fat. So we want to zip up the fat. We want everybody globally to be very, very healthy. That's the whole idea. And I don't want anybody, whether it is a man, it is a woman, it is a girl, it's a young boy or young, generation of India, to undergo that kind of depression or that kind of thinking that, oh, I am overweight. And they should feel very confident internally and externally. So that's the whole idea. कि कोई भी वो उस सोच से या उस टाइम से ना जूझे, which I went through. It's very, very depressing sometimes to see you unhealthy. Not just how the way you look, but also how you feel when you're overweight. So that's the whole idea.
Absolutely, yeah. Absolutely. Really wonderful ideologies you have, and truly amazing is your journey. Moving ahead to the next question, I would like to ask if any challenges you would like to mention upon your journey.
So currently, Guntas, as you know, I think the entire world is facing the COVID challenge, because of which, the business is not running, and, people are jobless. So we at Zip Fat, in fact, we are giving opportunity to women, we are giving opportunity to men, young people to join our team. हम उनको train करते हैं. We train them as, nutrition consultants. We give them certification also, so they can be a part of team. So it's not just कि हम लोगों को program sell कर रहे हैं या हम wellness के बारे में educate कर रहे हैं. At the same time, we are generating employment also, and it is a no cost employment. People can join us, and they can also spread wellness and earn. So it's basically learn and earn. That's the whole idea. And then also, since you mentioned the challenges, yes, this is a challenging time. It's a new venture, but let me tell you, जितने भी लोग, जितने भी हमारे clients हैं, they have lost weight wonderfully. They feel very healthy, after they enroll into our program. क्योंकि हमारा जो program है वो, it's not like other programs. You still feel healthy, you eat healthy, you eat home cooked meals. एंड आपके आपके हेयर फॉल, आपका स्किन, इट स्टिल लुक्स गुड. कोई आपको देख के ये नहीं बोलेगा कि आप एक वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम पे हैं. इनफैक्ट यू फील वेरी वेरी गुड एंड वेरी वेरी एनर्जेटिक. सो चैलेंज because of the COVID times, yes, people are not willing to spend that much. और कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया में स्पेशली लोग अपनी हेल्थ को सबसे टॉप प्रायोरिटी ना रख के लोएस्ट पे रखते हैं. जब वो होता है ना, यू नो, इट्स बिलीव कि जब वो मार पड़ती है तब हम भागते हैं, अच्छा अब मैं जॉगिंग स्टार्ट करूंगा, अब मैं यू नो जिम स्टार्ट करूंगा. सो आई थिंक इट शुड नॉट बी दैट वन डे, बट इट शुड बी डे वन. आपका वो डे वन हमेशा से तैयार होना चाहिए कि आज मेरा डे वन है एंड आई हैव टू स्टार्ट माय हेल्थ जर्नी राइट अवे. Yeah.
Great, really great. Heading on to the very next question, what was your inspiration behind your venture, or who inspired you the most in your life?
So I think like, me myself, like I mentioned before also, when I looked, you know, into the mirror, when I looked at myself, I could not believe it's me. Because, you know, both my kids are too small and I was too busy taking care of them. I had totally ignored myself. I had ignored my health. And let me tell you, मेरे पास अपने comb करने का time भी नहीं होता था. So हफ्ते हफ्ते तक, you know, it's been like that. I did not even comb my hair. And that day, like I said, it's one day or day one. So that day when I looked at myself, I realized, no, it's high time. I have to take care of my kids and I have to keep them happy. But in order to do that, I have to keep myself happy first. Yeah, that was the inspiration.
Yeah, very rightly said. One has to take care of himself or herself. But next, as we go on to the next question, I would like to ask any social change that you want to see in the society. Anything you would like to change in the society that was already prevalent, or any social change you want?
Yes, definitely. I want to make more healthy people. I want to see everybody around me healthy, and I keep telling people, I keep pointing out to them, okay, don't eat this, eat that. इसको आप चीनी को जैगरी से सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, आप अपने नॉर्मल तेल रिफाइंड कनोला को सरसों के तेल से सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. आप दूध में फ्लेवर्स डालने की बजाय डेट्स ऐड करो. सो आई वांट टू मेक पीपल हेल्दी. आई वांट यू नो women to join me across the globe because this is a global platform. मैं चाहती हूँ कि और बहुत सारी महिलाएं हमारे साथ जुड़े जो घर पे बैठे हैं. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, you know, if they want to earn, so they can be a part of our team and sitting at the comfort of your home. I think ये challenging times ने हमें सिखा दिया है, you know, that even if you're at home but you are determined, आपकी will power है, आपकी वो दृढ़, you know, शक्ति है कुछ करने की, you can do that. So we are there, we are here to train you, you know, free of cost. It's just कि आपके अंदर वो determination चाहिए कि आप हमारे साथ जुड़े. आपको अगर वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम करना है, आपको कोविड रिलेटेड कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं, चाहे वो हेयर फॉल हो, चाहे वो इम्यूनिटी इश्यूज है, we as ZipFat are there for you. And along with that, I can assure that, you know, once people join our team, there is no looking back. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि इस देश के, वर्ल्ड के हर कोने में कोई भी औरत, any women who wants to be a part of this venture is most welcome, and they can be a part of ZipFat. And that's what I want to do, to make more people healthy around me.
Before I move ahead, first of all, kudos to your work, your hard work, and your determination, your grit. And also, it's really nice to hear your wow words from you. So thank you for being such a good initiative, starting this initiative. To the very last question that I have come on, any social message you would like to give to the audience that will be watching you? Or any
So
message you would like to convey?
Yes. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, and I strongly believe, आपकी जो health है, it is not an expense. It is the biggest investment. So invest in yourself, invest in your health. आप सोचे नहीं कि अच्छा, and never ever Google, never ever YouTube for your health. आप कभी भी अपनी health related, अपने स्वास्थ्य से, you know, जुड़ी हुई चीजों को कुछ चंद पैसे बचाने के लिए गूगल और यूट्यूब ना करें. गो टू प्रोफेशनल, यू नो, गो टू somebody who can help you professionally who is certified and specialized to do that. इसीलिए डॉक्टर्स बनाए जाते हैं, इसीलिए हर चीज की एजुकेशन होती है कि वो होता है ना जिसका काम उसी को साजे. So I think people who are specialized in that should be taking care of you, and don't compromise on your health. That's your biggest investment. So invest wisely in your health, and I think you can make it happen and shock everyone.
Certainly, health is really important. Thank you so much for joining us. Anything else you would like to add in the video? Anything?
So in the end, I would like to say that please do log into our website, www.zipfat.com. हमारा WhatsApp number है, हमारा telephone number है, Facebook, Instagram, आप किसी भी माध्यम से जुड़े हमसे. Please contact us if you have any weight related issues, if you have any health related issues, especially to your skin, hair. And more than that, I want more and more women, to be associated with us. Please come work with us, not under us, and let's be a very strong ZipFat global team. That's all. Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining in, ma'am. It was really nice talking to you and hearing your wow words. So thank you so much, and wish you more power, lots of success for your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this platform. Thanks.